So you want to start trading with prop firms, but you don't know what's the best prop firm for you. Well, first of all, you need to know, doesn't matter which prop firm you choose, you are going to lose a lot of accounts. So it's best to choose a prop firm that's cheap and it doesn't have any weird rules against your trading strategy or the time that you trade. And the other thing that you need to expect is to lose your account even if you're in profit. So let's say you are not in loss and you have been making consistent profit, and one day you open your account and your leverage has been decreased down to in a month that you can't really trade anymore, or your account is just deactivated. And all of the prop firms have that, so all of them will do that to you and you need to expect that. And what you can do is to choose the best prop firms that you can have the most losses in and still survive that. So the prop firms needs to have logical rules and not weird rules that will stop you from doing anything. And the other thing is that it needs to have a price that you can afford easily, because you are going to lose so many accounts. Even if you are successful in paper trading, even if you are profitable, even in the prop firm account, you are still going to lose some. And until you actually pass the challenges and be in the live account and earn some money, you need to survive that period of time. So it needs to be cheap. And the other thing that's so obvious is that it needs to have the market you trade, either if it's Nasdaq, Dow Jones, or if you trade crypto or forex or even futures. And that's why I suggest you to trade with FundedNext, because the rules in FundedNext make sense and the price is amazing. For example, you can purchase a 5k account, which is a Sterlite account, for only $32, while the cheapest prop firm account you can purchase in other prop firms is above $50. So it's like you can buy two accounts for one account that you can purchase in other prop firms, and that's an advantage because you get more chance to try more accounts. And what matters is that you should survive until you pass your challenges and get to your live account and make consistent income. But until then, the price needs to be cheap, just like I said. And the other thing is markets. FundedNext has Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P, all the forex, and also crypto. And if you want to trade futures, FundedNext also has another account for futures markets, so that's also there. Now, FundedNext also has its bad sides, just like any other prop firms, but because of their price and the rules that make sense, and also the fact that they're not new, they are trusted, and they are consistently giving payouts, so I think it will be the best choice for you to trade with FundedNext. If you have any other questions about FundedNext, let me know. I've been trading with them for over 2 years now, so I know a lot about them. If you have any questions, let me know. I will answer in the comment. And if you want to purchase an account with FundedNext, use the link in my description to also support my channel. Also, check out my other videos. I will show every single trade that I take with prop firms, both losing and winning ones, so you will see the reality of trading. And most importantly, if you don't have a trading model right now, check out my other videos that I trade with the 9F30 model. It's a very consistently profitable model, and in this channel we are a community that we trade with this model, so you should see if the model is aligned with your own daily routine and trading psychology. If it is, join us and we welcome you, and we help you to learn this model and pass your prop firm challenges or trade with your own personal fund and make consistent profit.